Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this week we're continuing our lessons on mechanical engineering, but this time we are going to focus on a subcategory of mechanical engineering, manufacturing engineering. We're going to do terminology, which is on page 37, a puzzle, and on the back, of course, page 38, where you have lines to define your terms and your word key. Remember, the second number that you see in these series of numbers for crossing down, the second number is related to the number that's on your list. And in your drafting portfolio, you are going to pick out a more complicated three-dimensional shape, and you are going on page 7, you are going to draw each view on this side, on page 7, and on page 8, you are going to show that drawing in top view, front view, and right side view, just like you did with your puzzle cube.